So what's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now in this video I'll be breaking down in details because recently Michael Johnson, one of the biggest former American track star, recently he opened up and he speak out about something that was very shocking. When I saw what he spoke about, I was totally shocked and confused all at the same time. And in this video, you will get to know about everything that Michael Johnson has to say. But before that, I want to raise this issue because Michael Johnson is known for coming against the Jamaicans, right? People have known Michael Johnson for coming against black athletes. He is black, but people are claiming that this man you're seeing right here is always attacking black athlete from Jamaica, from Africa. Um, it's like he has this dislikeness for them, right? People feel that way about him. People always complain that Michael Johnson is always attacking Jamaican athlete. But the truth is, I see nothing like that. Michael Johnson is actually a patriotic. He has a ambitious personality. He loves track and field and he wants to see it get bigger. And I feel like he is only trying to express his opinion. And there is nothing bad about someone expressing his or her opinion. So recently, Michael Johnson made an announcement that he wants to make sure that track athletes are being respected in a very professional way. And in this video, I will share with you the main video in which he speak out. So this is a clip moment of what Michael Johnson said.
The
Listen.
vision that I have for this is that track will become just as important as other professional sports. We have suffered as a sport for many years, despite the fact that we have some of the greatest athletes in the world. The vision that I have for this is that track will become just as important as
So guys, from the clip you just watched, you can clearly see that Michael Johnson is trying to let you guys know that look, next year is going to be hot. Next year we are going to have a grand slam, and that grand slam athletes are going to be paid huge amount of money. They are going to go viral. They are going to be more popular, and the grand slam is going to be like a show. It's going to be like it's going to be like the recent Atlas. I don't know if you guys have watched the Atlas. It's gonna be like even way more bigger than the Atlas. So this is what Michael Johnson has to say. And for people that are feeling like Michael Johnson is always attacking Jamaicans, I want to let you know that he has been misunderstood. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinion. Do not forget to like and subscribe.